Hey, welcome to Tesla Shorts Time Daily, episode 404. I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Today is March 11th, 2026. Here's what's happening with Tesla today. Tesla ramps up Cybercab testing on public roads as it queues for mass production. Let's dive right into that, starting with some exciting developments around the Cybercab. According to Teslarati, photos and videos of the production Cybercab's interior have popped up on social media, giving us a good look at this compact two-seater. It's all about that efficient, minimalist design Tesla is known for, with advanced features packed into a small space that could really cut costs for autonomous vehicles. This matters because it's geared toward urban mobility, making robo-taxis more practical and user-friendly in crowded cities. I think it shows Tesla's push to disrupt ride-sharing by focusing on cabins that prioritize simplicity without sacrificing the tech that makes autonomy work. For the broader industry, it's a sign that affordable robo-taxis are getting closer, which could shake up how we think about getting around town. Staying on the Cybercab theme, there's footage from Giga, Texas, as reported by TeslaNorth.com, showing the automated camera washers in action. These use high-pressure fluid to keep the sensors clean, even in bad weather, which is crucial for reliable autonomous driving. You can imagine how dirt or rain could mess with visibility, so this engineering tweak addresses a real pain point for sensor-heavy vehicles. It highlights Tesla's attention to all-weather performance, potentially boosting safety and keeping those robo-taxis on the road more consistently. In the competitive landscape, features like this could set a new bar for what we expect from autonomous fleets. And building on that, from what I'm seeing in recent updates, Tesla is intensifying Cybercab testing on public roads with a growing fleet at Giga, Texas. This ramp-up suggests they're building confidence in the tech for real-world conditions, which is a key step before any commercial launch. It's generating a lot of buzz in the community because it points to scalable autonomous transport happening sooner than some might think. For urban commuting, this could mean a real transformation, making rides more efficient and accessible. Investors seem excited about the potential here, as it ties directly into Tesla's vision for robo-taxis. Speaking of fleets at Giga, Texas, images and videos are showing a buildup of Cybercabs there, which looks like preparation for larger-scale testing or even production. This visual milestone is stirring up the Tesla world, as it feels like a tangible shift toward manufacturing these autonomous vehicles at volume. It's noteworthy because it underscores how Tesla is moving from prototypes to something more operational. In terms of the human story, it's fun to see the community sharing these sightings. It's like watching the future assemble right in front of us. Now, shifting gears to robotics, Tesla China teased an image of the Optimus robot's next-gen hands on Weibo, as covered by Teslarati. These hands are designed to be more human-like, with better dexterity for handling complex tasks. This is a big deal for Tesla's ambitions in humanoid robotics, as it could make Optimus more useful in factories or even everyday assistants. By improving how these robots interact with the world, Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in AI-driven automation. It could influence productivity across industries, from manufacturing to home help, and it's fascinating to see how this tech evolves alongside their vehicle efforts. On the trucking side, Tesla has expanded its semi-pilot program to a logistics firm in Texas, according to Teslarati. The company reported efficiency of 1.64 kilowatt-hours per mile, which beats Tesla's own targets and outperforms traditional diesel trucks. This real-world data strengthens the case for electric heavy-duty vehicles, showing potential for lower operational costs and reduced emissions in freight transport. For fleets, it's about proving that sustainable options can compete on efficiency, which might speed up adoption in the logistics sector. It's a practical step that highlights how Tesla is gathering evidence to push the industry forward. There's some legal news as well. Tesla is suing a former supplier, Matthews International, for $1 billion over alleged theft of battery tech secrets, as reported by TeslaNorth.com. The accusations involve dry electrode manufacturing processes that were supposedly shared with competitors. Protecting this proprietary tech is essential for Tesla to keep its edge in battery efficiency and cost savings. In the EV world, intellectual property battles like this underline the high stakes of innovation. Interestingly, there's an update on a related battery dispute where both Tesla and Matthews are claiming victory after an arbitration ruling, which shows the ongoing tensions in these supply chain relationships. It could lead to more legal back and forth, revealing just how competitive the battery space is right now. Switching to software and app developments, the latest Tesla app update reveals hidden code for an advanced trip planner, vehicle-to-grid features, and insurance improvements, according to Drive Tesla. These could make EVs more integrated into daily life, with smarter travel planning and the ability to feed energy back to the grid. For users, it means better convenience and potential cost savings, like using your car as a power source during peaks. This pushes the industry toward bidirectional charging, which is key for energy ecosystems. It's a reminder of how Tesla uses software to evolve its products beyond just the hardware. In Canada, Tesla is set to start delivering Model Y performance vehicles soon, starting in Ontario, though not everyone will get them right away, as per Drive Tesla. This helps meet demand for high-performance EVs in North America, despite some supply constraints. It's important for customer satisfaction, especially in a market where people are eager for these models. Competitively, it positions Tesla against other EV makers, vying for the performance segment in the region. Another expansion worth noting is Tesla opening its supercharger network to non-Tesla EVs in an additional country. This inclusivity could boost revenue from a wider user base and help reduce range anxiety for all electric vehicles. It's a smart move to dominate charging infrastructure globally, accelerating overall EV adoption. By making the network more accessible, Tesla is essentially inviting more people into the ecosystem, which benefits the transition to sustainable transport. On a different note, there's a challenge worth discussing. Tesla has lost a longtime engineer, Thomas Dimitrich, who was instrumental in building over-the-air updates and the robotaxi platform, as reported by Drive Tesla. This departure highlights talent retention risks in the competitive EV and AI fields, where top engineers are in high demand. It could potentially slow down software innovations, since OTA updates are a core part of what keeps Tesla vehicles evolving and customers loyal. That said, Tesla is well positioned to handle this with its strong company culture and mission that attracts new talent. They've got robust internal development programs that could help mitigate these kinds of losses, ensuring they maintain their lead in connected and autonomous tech. Taking a step back from today's headlines, let's think about the scalability of electric vehicle charging infrastructure amid growing demand. The fundamental question is how networks can expand efficiently without overwhelming power grids that weren't built for this. Data shows global EV sales projected at 17 million in 2024, but charging points are around 15 million worldwide, with low utilization due to uneven distribution and peak hour strains. Tesla's approach breaks it down to basics, using smart software to predict demand, integrating solar and storage for off-grid support, and deploying modular superchargers that scale efficiently based on physics rather than just adding more hardware. This leads to more reliable access for customers, lower costs for operations, and a model that could help the industry avoid grid failures while speeding up the shift to sustainable transport. One more item before we wrap up. Elon Musk's xAI has secured a power plant permit for AI data centers in Mississippi. While it's primarily for xAI, this could indirectly support Tesla's AI work in autonomy and robotics through shared technologies. It's interesting how these ventures are connecting to handle energy-intensive innovations. Before we go, tomorrow we'll be watching for any updates on the Cybercab production preparations at Giga Texas, as that fleet buildup could signal bigger testing milestones. That's your Tesla news for today. TSLA closed at $399.24, down 55 cents, 0.1%. If you found this useful, a rating or review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify really helps new listeners find the show. You can also find us on X at Tesla Shorts Time. I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow.